Hi everybody. Hey, I got to share this with you. I have been using this coconut, castor oil, and coffee grounds for a long time now. And this stuff is absolutely heaven. And so anyways, I want to give you the recipe and then I'll explain a little bit more. So first of all, we have 1 cup of ground coffee. It doesn't have to be organic. It could be regular coffee. And then that's the first ingredient. Then the next ingredient is 3/4 cup of Epsom salt. I get this one here at Amazon. Then we have 1/2 cup of fractionated coconut oil. Make sure it's fractionated because the other kind hardens up. This one stays liquid. Then we have 1/2 cup of castor oil, 100% pure. Then we have 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla. Please don't skip this step. This is really important that you add the vanilla. Then we need 12 drops of frankincense essential oil. You can use any kind of other essential oil you like, but for this one, this particular oil and scrub that I'm making, frankincense is the best. Now you're going to want to stir this real good. Now what this is, it looks really, really messy, but what you do, you get this all mixed up together, and then you put it in a container. Now, I gave you a measurement for 1 batch. I doubled this, so this is how much you're going to make. Now what I do is I put it in a couple of containers, like 3 containers, and then I place it in the fridge. Because I'll do this about once a week or so, and just so that I don't have to keep remaking this stuff, I will make ahead. And what you do is you get in your shower, in the shower, you take your shower like you normally would, and then after you've washed your hair, put your hair up so that you don't get any oil on it, because this will make your hair, this is really good for your hair too, but we're not doing the hair today. But what you do is you wet your body down and then turn the water off, and then add this as a body scrub. Scrub all the areas that you have really rough skin, elbows, knees, anywhere where you have rough skin. Then start at the bottom on your feet and work your way up and go all the way, scrubbing, rubbing, using it like a body scrub, and then keep on going till you're all the way done. And if you can, if you're not freezing to death in the shower, go ahead and sit there for about 5 minutes, and then take lukewarm water, set the water so it's lukewarm, and then rinse it off. Now it'll be a little scary with stuff going down the drain, because coffee you would think would just like really mess up the drain, but so far I've done really good and I haven't had that problem. So then when you're done, you're all rinsed off, and I do suggest while you're in there, spray down the shower, because this stuff is really messy. Now I know this is a big deal, you know, it makes the shower messy, but it's, you know, you're going to be so glad you did this, because for the simple reason is that it does absolute wonders for your skin. And as you age, like I'm 68, and I've been having joint problems and all this kind of stuff. So once I started taking my minerals, I'm doing much better, and I don't hurt as much. But it still hurt a little bit. But then what I do is I take this and do this body scrub. Absolutely nothing hurts on me after I've done this. And it lasts for about a day. And then if you start getting the aches and pains, then, you know, you can do it again. But I don't suggest doing it more than twice a week, because this stuff really, really works. But your skin will be so soft and so luxurious. It's amazing what this stuff does for you. So give it a try and let me know how it goes. I know it's absolutely heaven for me. I make it all the time. So I wanted to share it with you because this stuff so works. And you try to also do the other thing is try to do it before you go to bed, like an hour or two before you go to bed, because we have Epsom salt in it. And the Epsom salt relaxes your muscles and you sleep really well when you take a shower or get into a bath with Epsom salt. So, anyways, give it a try. Let me know. Okay? Thanks.